Hello and welcome to another how-to video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a delicious beef and halloumi meatballs dish, and it's under 400 calories per serving. And then you add the meatballs and the sauce to the pasta. I'll show you the here are all the ingredients and quantities you'll need to make this recipe. Now this is the ingredients you'll need: chicken stock, beef mince, oregano, tomato puree, paprika, chopped tomatoes, garlic, onion, and of course halloumi. It's always important to peel the garlic before actually chopping it. Get the garlic skin off. Fantastic. The garlic comes out just like that. Now the halloumi needs to be diced into small cubes. Around that size is usually fine. And here we see all the chopped halloumi cubes. Some of them are not exactly cubes, but as long as they're pretty much in a cuboid shape, that should be fine. So we want 1 teaspoon of oregano and another teaspoon of oregano into the beef mince, then 1 teaspoon of paprika, and it's best to mix that in first, and then you need to add the halloumi cubes to the mixture and mix that all up together, being careful not to overmix. And then you mold them using your hands into ball shapes and place them into a pre-greased baking tray. We like to use Fry Light 1 calorie spray, which is a low calorie oil. And so the balls are beginning to take shape. So when you've got them all into roughly equal sizes, then they're ready to they're ready for the next step. The next step is to bake these in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, which we'll do next. And leave that to cook for 20 to 25 minutes. The next step is to grease your saucepan and add in the onions and stir them over a medium heat. And cook for 2 to 3 minutes until they're starting to look translucent. Then we add the garlic into the onion mixture and stir it well. I'm getting the lovely onion and garlic smells and scents, which are already making my my mouth water. And then we add the tomato, the chopped tomato, to the pan, and then the chicken stock, and also some tomato puree, and again stir it well. While the sauce is cooking, you can be cooking your pasta. Now we're using fusili pasta, but of course you can also use spaghetti. Spaghetti and meatballs is quite a popular combination, or your preferred type of pasta. It's entirely up to you. Then once your meatballs are cooked, add them to the sauce. That will really let them marinate a little bit in the delicious tomato sauce that you've made with the onions and garlic and all the other ingredients. And mix it all up nicely. Look at that. My mouth is watering already. Et voila! Here is how it looks. The delicious beef and halloumi meatballs. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, please like, share and subscribe for more. And please add in the comments any suggestions or recommendations you'd like us to try. Thanks for watching.